think that's you. Is that you? There you go. Where are you? Yay! Yay, Eric! Come on, Vic! Go, Vic! Woo!
All right, now home stretch. Number 155. Oh, here comes Wayne Tomacek. Finishing up strong.
Yay, Eric! So cute!
Jet lag probably, but out here doing the event. Colton Payne, 14 years young.
All right.
Howdy. There he is. Nice job, Pete. Followed with Leah Segigan.
All right, I'm gonna have to save some battery for when Vic comes in. Good job.
All right, coming down. Colin Bell, finishing up strong here.
You look kind of tired.
For those competitors that have already finished it,